Alright, HVAC people, so we got a no cooling call or a no heat call here, I'm not sure. We'll see if we can get some footage and find out what's going on. Alright, so we got an upstairs unit not heating. We got a blank thermostat. Totally blank. Let's see what's going on. So I think that's gonna be our culprit right there. I think that's for downstairs, for upstairs. All right. See, the door is almost off. First thing first, I'm seeing we got some power. Yeah, we got power to the unit. See, we got any status light? We got a status light, solid. Alright, see, we do got a solid status light. See what that means. Continuous on, we got 24 volt power. Alright. So what I probably do is see if we got a 4-wire thermostat and see if the thermostat just needs batteries. Alright, so the thermostat does have a comment. Alright, y'all, so we're going to jump out the heater just to make sure the control board is working. So I think we're gonna have maybe a bad thermostat or something. That's the heat right there. Use the fan motor. Or the igniter. Like I say, so I think the control board is good. We gotta figure out why that thermostat is blank. Let's go check out this thermostat. That's gonna be our problem. Sure ain't no good now. Alright, y'all, so I'm putting a new thermostat on here. It's gonna be our problem, just blank. Alright. Yeah, so I'm just about to think about changing this thermostat out. But I noticed I'm not getting 24 volts here either. So I'm not getting 24 volts at my thermostat, which I should. That's one common. I'm coming to my R1. I should have 24 volts from common, but I'm getting 0 now. However, I do think I broke this thermostat now, so it's gonna have to be probably changed out regardless. But we're gonna have to find a break in the wire somewhere. Try to put this back on. I don't think it's gonna work though. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be no more good. See, it's blank. I may have broke this myself, but we're not getting 24 volts down here. Let's see if we can find anything else going on up here. See, we got a LED right here. So I mean, we getting 24 volts. Should be going to that thermostat. I got R. This is my same R to C going to the thermostat. See, I got 28 volts. So this wire is going to that thermostat. Alright folks, so this is my problem gonna be right here. This wire broke. That's gonna be the problem right there. So let's see if I can fix that. I'll fix this right here. It's gonna be our problem right here. Fix these. All right. get some wire nuts. Alright, so we wire nut these together here. Last one. Alright folks, so we got that wired up. Now that should give me, this thermostat is any good, should light up. Oh, still got a blank. Thermostat gonna be bad. But let me see if I get 24 volts here. So for common to rear, we got 24 volts now. So I'll replace this. Turn up the heat. Alright, so we got this set up. We'll turn the power on. Yep, we got power. Fan turned on right away this time. Should be in heat mode. That carrier got like a 90-second delay once you reset the power. But I'm gonna go ahead and start buttoning it up. I think we should be good to go. Let it call for heat, and we'll call this one good. Let's see if we can put this door back on right. There you go. All right, that's my inducer. For the igniter. My igniter. Stop gas valve next. Alright, looks like we're good to go on this one, folks. So this is I don't know if I broke the thermostat or what, but the thermostat was broken. So, I mean, when I took it off the wall. So either this loose wire or the thermostat. But as always, y'all, thanks for watching.